welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I have a little Swarvoski haul to show you guys. I got a bunch of Swarvoskis from Michaels, so if you guys want to see what I got and how I'm going to store them, keep on watching. Okay guys, so I was gonna do a double view, but the camera makes the quality of the stones look better. So I am just going to show you guys one by one, and I'm gonna place them in a little container that I got from Walmart. Where did I buy these? I just got them at Michaels. Is that the best place to buy them? No, not really, but for me, I was just being impatient and I just really wanted to buy them. And I did end up spending like about $92 on all of them, and that's them having a buy one get one half off for every second one that you buy. So this is the container, you guys. I have another box of Swarovskis. Let me get it really quick. It's not a lot. I'm running out of these, so I ordered them on Sky Beads online. So if you guys want to see that video, I'll probably be posting that video next, and I will be doing my nails. I think I want to do like a milky white with angel foil, so I'm gonna do my nails soon. That's why I'm wearing gloves. I cannot stand showing you guys my ugly hands when they're not done. So watch out. I'm gonna do a bomb set on myself with these Swarovskis. So I'm gonna wait for them to show up, which they should be here soon because I paid for like fast shipping. I think 2 to 3 days it should be here, and today's the second day, so hopefully it gets here tomorrow, if not on Thursday. And yeah, so this is, I got these online, Sky Beads online, so I'll leave the link for them down below. And for this, I just got them at Michaels, and Michaels I'm pretty sure you guys can find in your area. So I'm gonna go ahead and open them. So I did get these red ones here, and then I really like these heart ones. These were very cute. Well, this one's regular, but this is heart. And where's the other one? There's another one somewhere. This is another heart one. These are so pretty. So I'm gonna open them up, and I'm gonna I probably put these in like a color shape one, maybe here in the middle, so that when I start collecting more shapes of different colors, I can place them here instead of the other one. Because I could put them in the other one. I'm not really sure what to do, so okay, I'll just wait off these. So we'll open the red ones, and we'll put all the red ones, even the same sizes, and we'll put them in its same little thing. So I'll probably put the red ones right here because I really think I'm going to be using those a lot. Just get these scissors that I got at the Dollar Tree, you guys. And you guys, I have somebody keeps writing me on Instagram. I don't know if it's like a little kid or something, because I just posted that I had availabilities, like open spots for appointments. And you know, it's nail page. If you guys follow me on Instagram, you guys know all I post is about nails and, you know, my appointments and stuff and my nail work. So I put that I had available appointments in the stories, and I don't know if it's a little girl, she was like, for what? Appointments for what? And I'm like, I do nails. So like, what else am I supposed to do appointments for? I'm not a doctor, so I thought it was weird. I was like, okay. I really don't think little kids should be on Instagram, you guys, because it could be dangerous. I'm just saying, don't let your kids on Instagram at such an early age, because I was a little confused. I was like, what? I hope it's a little kid, because if that's an adult asking me, then that's kind of weird. Okay, so I'm gonna put that there. Wow, they're pretty. I'm gonna do a little close up for you guys. I'm gonna try to get it as close so you guys can see. And these are 4 milliliters, so I don't know what number these are. I think these are at number 12 actually. So I think 4 milliliters around that size is a number 12. So correct me if I'm wrong, but I'm pretty sure that's what it is. So they are a little bit on the bigger side. I should order on Sky Beads online because they are cheaper on there. You have more. And I think they're only $5 for 100 of them. So I'm gonna order some I think number 5, 7, and 9 on Sky Beads for the red ones. I'll probably do that with the other ones too, not just the red ones. Some of them might need more sizes as well. So here it goes. And then some of them got over here. So let me see if I can find, I'll just use this. Okay, so there's the red. So I'm gonna do these. This has like an orange iridescent, so more than likely I'll put it next to the red. Make it look like a little rainbow. And it's okay that I'm mixing them up because I can kind of differentiate these sizes. So there goes this one. And then for the red one, I think it's called Siam or something like that. Let me see. Yeah, Light Siam. That's the name of the red ones. That's the color name. And then for the one that I just dropped in there, it is Tangerine and Mandarin. Or Mandarina? No. It says Combo Tangerine. I don't know, it just says Tangerine. Throw them in here. There's one that doesn't want to get out. Okay. And I don't have any more shapes, so these are gonna be solo dolo for a little. So I'll think about getting some other ones. So yellow, so we'll do some greens here. I have a couple different types of greens though. So, for the greens, I really like these. But I think I'm gonna have to put these other ones in a different one. I kind of feel like I should put these in the middle because they're like random color or something like that. So let's do this green one. I just open them randomly. Doesn't even make sense. So I'm opening it. Okay. So cool. So I said the greens go in here, so that means I'm gonna put the blue ones somewhere else. This one I'll just say it's miscellaneous, and I'll put it somewhere in the middle, and I'll just throw them all together in here, even though it has some green, but it's like a different type of green. And it's also a different type of finish. I don't know what they're called, so I'm probably not gonna be telling you what they're all called, because I know the blue one was sapphire and some lighter blue, and then these don't say anything at all, so that's annoying. So that's why I really can't tell you on every one of them. It doesn't say for some reason all of the colors. I don't know why, but it just doesn't. Then should I do these? Oh, I hear my daughter crying. So this green one, I'm gonna put in, I'll probably put it in the same one because it's green. I just want all the green together. See, this is a little tricky because that's like a blue-green. This one doesn't say it, does it? It says blue, emerald blue zircon. It just says emerald blue zircon mix. That's what it says. And this one, I don't know. Maybe I should put this in a different one. Yeah, I think I'm just gonna put it over here. Giving me different vibes. I'll put it right here because it looks similar to both the blue and the green. Or maybe down there, I don't know. No, I'll put it down there. This one has like aquamarine, and it says aquamarine and sapphire. So the sapphire ones, this one has like similar ones to it. So we're gonna mix it in there with the lighter ones too. they have the buy one get one deal at Michael's, these things sell out like hotcakes. Look how pretty it's already looking, all colorful. Yay. It's because I really wanted to start my collection already because I really want to do a promotion for clients so that I can do, so that I can do some promotion so that I can start showing them that I have the crystals, you know, like that's what promotions are for. Just to kind of like show people what you can do, what you have available. Okay, so let's do this one because it's the other color, other pretty color that I have. So since we're gonna do like red, orange, yellow, green, blues, so purples and pinks I'll probably put down here. So we'll do purples over here. So I'll put it right here. These are really pretty. I have some of these, I think. One of my clients came in with them and she's like, oh, you could keep them. And I was like, oh, cool. Okay, so that's that one. And then I said I was gonna put these because I might get the, I don't remember what they're called, but they're the gold ones. They have the gold. I'll probably get some more of these like rose gold colors. I don't know if this is bronze or rose gold. Let me check. This one says nothing again. Oh, it says metallic rose gold. Okay, I was right. Or maybe I should have put these here. I don't know. Do the golds here. Oh yeah, that makes sense. So we'll just do the gold over here. Or actually we'll put the gold over here. Just in case I get different types of oranges or something. I don't know. We'll see. These are 3mm. I would, if I had to guess, these are a number 9. 9 or 7, one of them. If I had to guess, I don't know. And this one is the same as that, right? Yeah. This one's a little different. That one's like a, I think, champagne. And this one doesn't say it, does it? No, it just says wedding combo. Like, that's annoying, but okay. I think this one's like a champagne. If I'm mistaken, I don't know, but very different from that one. This is more like the gold tone ones. Like a gold. I don't know how to explain that one either. Let's just open this. And we gotta put these ones in here. Oh, I hope the other ones aren't going in there. Okay, and then for the other ones, let's see. Ooh, you gotta be careful. Okay. I don't know if I should put them together because it's, I feel like they should go together. They're really close to each other, like color-wise. Okay. And then I got one more. And this is just the smaller ones to those. So it's like, okay, so this one says Colorado Topaz. Okay, that's what it's called. Beautiful. Okay guys, this is literally almost $100 worth. I actually was supposed to buy one more to get the other one half off and I didn't even count them like a dummy. So it's okay. I'm probably gonna go and see what else they got just to see. I don't know if I'm gonna buy more. But yeah, this is what I got so far. This was, what, one pack of them or did I separate those? I don't remember. No, that was in another pack. Okay, so This was basically a pack. This was like 2 packs, 2 to 3 packs. These were a couple. This was basically 10 packs in all. And this is what it got me. And yeah, I'm very happy to start growing this. I'm gonna be buying more. Like I said, there's more coming in the mail, but that one's the AB crystals, just like my other this crystals. These are AB crystals, so that's what I'm waiting for. And I might transfer these over here then, since I'm trying to keep all of the color crystals over here. And I have some purple ones that I have some purple ones that should be over here because they're color, and then there's some Colorado topaz in there. There is also some champagne colored ones, and some white crystals that just are like the regular, not AB, but like the regular clear ones. And yeah, everything else is like the shapes and stuff, and I will be buying more shapes too. Oh, that's something, somebody's going off on me. Anyways, you guys, that is all. I really hope you guys enjoyed this. Look how cute this box is. I'm actually gonna get my little label and put like color crystals and put it on here. And then I'm gonna put AB crystals and put it in here. So I do need to remove all this because this should just be the regular AB crystals. And you know what? I am putting those clear ones here, but I might order the clear ones and put them in this as well. Alright guys, that is all for today's video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. I really hope you guys like my little haul of Swarovskis, and you guys will be able to see how I grow my little collection so that my nails could look a lot more better and cuter and sparklier and high end. So that is it for today's video, you guys. Thank you for coming back and watching. If you are new, if you're a new viewer, please stick around and subscribe and hit the post notification bell button so you guys get notifications of when I upload new videos. And that is all. Thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye.